Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining us here on this video today. So this video is for if you are a competitor competing this Saturday at the Novice Speech and Debate Tournament. So first and foremost, if you are a competitor who is competing in a asynchronous event, so a prepared event, so any of the interps, any of the originals, that's not pretty much any event that is not spar, impromptu, or extemp, make sure to upload your video to YouTube. If you've never done that before, what you would do is you would go to YouTube, make sure to create an account. If you have a Gmail account, it automatically does it, but you can go there. And if you go to this, you can click create and it'll allow you to upload your video. So you could go here and you can select the files that you want to. Just make sure when you are creating your video that you mark it as unlisted if you can. So unlisted here means that only those with the link can see it. You do that at the end of uploading and you can edit your video. But this video isn't about necessarily how to upload videos to YouTube. So if that explanation didn't make sense, there are a lot of good videos on YouTube about how to upload videos on YouTube. But so let's just say you're competing in spar, extemp, or impromptu. What does that process look like? So you want to make sure you have a tab room account. If you don't have a tab room account, what you'd want to do is sign up. You can sign up over here. Make sure you give your coach your email address you use for tab room. They will need that to register you, to link your account to the school account. So you would, let's just say I'm a student and I'm logged in and cool. So it's the day of the tournament. And if you put your phone number in there, you'll get text updates when you're about to compete. So let's just say I know I have a competition round. So what you do is you click on your name up here. So you click on, I'm going to just do that again to show you. And if you go here, you'll see some stuff. If you are a competitor, you won't see this start button. The start button is for judges. But if you are a competitor, you will see this. This right here is the link to your competition room. So if I'm doing spar and impromptu, immediately I would want to click on that link to join the round. And then this is where you will see the other competitors. You'll approve that it can get your camera and that it gets your microphone. Try if you can to use Google Chrome. This works much better on Google Chrome. And here in this chat feature is where your judges might send you the topics. Right now it's failing to access my camera simply because I'm also recording this video and it won't let me double record, which makes absolute sense. If you're a competitor, it's basically that simple to get into your round. You go from here to the room itself. If you are in extemp, we will have an extemp prep room that will be separate. That you will see. You will see the link around these places, but it'll say extemp prep, so you'll see it, and you'll be able to click on it. So that is what it's going to look like. So again, if you are in spar or impromptu, immediately once you get your posting, you know you're going to compete, you can go and click on this. And if you are in extemp first, you'll want to go to extemp prep, and then your extemp prep proctor will let you know when you should go to your actual competition room after your 30 minutes of preparation time. We're so excited to have you here. And regardless of how well you do at this tournament, we're just so happy you get to share your voice, your ideas, your opinions, your stories, because without you, this activity can't work. And I tell competitors this all the time. Do not worry about this first tournament if you win trophies or not. I didn't win a single trophy my first year in competition. And look, all these years later, I'm still involved in speech and debate because I think it is one of the best things that you can do in your high school career. And, since I've chosen to do it as my actual career in your life. So I hope you have a great tournament. And if you have any questions, just let us know.